What's an easy way to keep my calendars in sync? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe from our channel to get daily tutorials. In this video, we're going to create a workflow that starts with an invitee created in Calendly. Then we're going to use the details of that invitee in order to create an event in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Calendly invitee to Outlook calendar event. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be Calendly. And the event is going to be invitee created. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Calendly account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. We'll test the trigger, and we have a new invitee. So we can use this information to build our workflow. Now, coming from Calendly, there's only so much information that we can use. We have the email address of our invitee. We have their name. We have the type of event this is, which is a phone interview. And we have the start time of that interview and the end time. But that's all that we need in order to create an event in Outlook Calendar. So we'll click continue. For our action step, we're going to choose Outlook. The event is going to be to create event. Make sure we're connected to Microsoft Outlook. The calendar that I want to put this event on is my regular calendar. So for the subject, I'm going to decide to choose the type of event this is, and then dash and the name of the person the event is with. So phone interview with Squat Chunk Daddy. Start time is down towards the bottom where it says start time. The end date and time is more in the middle. It's not an all-day event, so I'm going to click no. Some of these fields, like all-day event and show me is free or busy, have to be filled out even if you don't have information that's coming from the trigger. So I'm going to select no, and that means that every event that's created in Outlook Calendar that's coming from this Calendly workflow, none of those events will be selected as all day. For the description, I'm going to put the phone number of this person, which is the location of the interview, because it's a phone interview. But since it's the location, if it wasn't a phone interview, if it was an event somewhere else, then it would replace the phone number with the actual address of where the event was being held. And then I'm going to say that I'm busy because I'm participating in this interview. That'll show me as busy for all of my future events that I make through this workflow. So I'm going to click continue and test the action. And it looks like we have a success. So I can click continue here and then check out Microsoft Calendar. And here it is. That event was added on Friday the 14th. Phone interview with Squat Chunk Daddy. Has a start time and it has the phone number. So it looks like our workflow was set up correctly. I come back over to the workload editor and check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. And now I can activate my workflow. So whenever an invitee is created in Calendly, an event will be created in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that'll automatically sync Calendly with Outlook Calendar. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.